Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Here I will show you how to fix, maintain, and customize our motorcycle riding gear. Let's begin.
Zipper pulls, constantly breaking off right before a ride. We usually replace them with key rings or zip ties. I found a product that we could use that's quick to install and they're really strong. This is a 15-pound weight attached to the zipper hook mechanism and the zipper pull. They're really strong. So let me show you how to put them on. Here's the product. You get a zipper pull, a hook mechanism, and a locking tab. This is the zipper pull I used for the example. The tools you will need for this job are a pair of needle nose pliers, super glue or crazy glue. I use this to put inside the holes of the pull tab to keep it all together. You put the hook mechanism through the slider and you push that into the zipper pull. You'll feel a pop as it goes all the way in. So the ends of the hook mechanism are larger. When you're putting the locking tab in, you want to make sure that you push the hook all the way forward so that the locking tabs get under those bulges at the end of the hook. You can do this with your hand or with needle nose pliers. Once you get it aligned, push it completely in. Then get the needle nose pliers and seat it completely flush into the pool. It's good to push on both ends to make sure both ends sit flush. Once it's inside, what I do is I put crazy glue inside the two holes so that it holds the tab in from popping out. Wipe off any excess. And there you go. It also works for sliders that have a self-locking mechanism.